Greetings to all. I am Richa Chaudhary. Along with my guide Dr. Sushila Dhaya, will present a poster before you all over the topic Drone Technology in Waste Management, a review. Clean environment is the basic right of every human being. India is dealing with huge environmental issues, and one of the issues is waste management. There is huge gap between the generation and the processing of waste in India. Some of the current methods of waste disposals are causing more harm than the benefit to the environment. Today's era is technical era. In every aspect of life, the ICT and cutting edge technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things, smart devices, UAVs, specifically drones, automation, they're changing the way the world used to operate on. And especially unmanned aerial vehicles have gained significant achievement in the past few years. So drones over the past few years have shown significant improvement and huge application areas. The prospect of using drones in waste management is huge. Government and waste management organization can use smart UAV and drones to efficiently manage the waste. This slide shows the status of landfills and solid waste in India. It is state-wise numbers, as we can see the number of landfills state-wise and the state-wise waste generation versus waste processing. And this chart is showing the huge gap which needs to be filled, we need to work over this gap so that we can minimize it. Despite the huge advancement in technologies in other domains, waste management is an area where very limited has been changed or very little is done in terms of advancement. So I would like to present the use of drones in waste management and how they can effectively manage these landfill situations and where we can utilize drones effectively for the waste management. Current situation is mostly landfills are overwhelmed with the waste disposal as the land is not used properly. Majority of the cities are not having proper dumping zones or the landfills. Burning of waste disposal is a common practice at many places, which further impacts the public health and environment. According to some research papers, 90% of the waste in India is dumped illegally, and there's a huge need to create and implement waste management properly. But to implement it at majority of the locations, it's quite costly affair. So today's technical advancements can help in improving waste management and can prove quite cost effective as well. And one of the technology is uses of drones in waste management. Recent researches has shown that drones have the capacity to perform better than the traditional aerial surveys. Drones can reach the areas or the spaces where it is difficult for the human being. So therefore, this limitation of not being able to study some areas or study the landfill from up close can be solved using drones. Drones enables researchers to study these unreachable area safely from a distance, that too with a great accuracy. So this slide shows the working of drones and what are drones, how they work. So what are drones? Drones is a wireless communication device which uses radio waves for communication. They can fly up to the range of 8 kilometers. For example, there is one drone of DJI drones. They can fly up to this 8-kilometer limits, and there is a variation. There's a lot of variation and specifications comes in drones. So how they work? What is the basic working of a drone? Drone could be controlled by a controller. That could be a machine. That could be a human being with a controller, or using a phone through an app. These are a few ways which can control the drone. And then this drone can either survey a particular area or can collect the data or can monitor a particular area embedded with camera high quality camera which can capture images, videos, and equipped with the different type of or varieties of sensors which can collect the data, and that collected data could be either stored in the drone or could be continuously transmitted to a cloud storage somewhere, and that this particular data can be transmitted to the base station. Base station is where it could be computer, it could be server, where that collected data sent from the drone can be processed. So this processed data can further be stored over cloud or could be used for could be utilized by the software to uh, get information out of it, so that we can lay down a proper policies or guidelines or some implementation. So how this work? This works over FPV, which is first person view, which allows unmanned aircraft to fly around buildings or the forest easily. Today's uh, today's drones comes with the obstacle detector as well. There are a lot of new technologies coming up with drones, each and every single, we can say, in a very short span. So this FPV technology uses radio signals to transmit and receive data. The receiver of the data or the live video can be the remote control unit, it could be a smartphone, it could be a computer, which I mentioned as a base station. Live streaming from the drone depends on network between the drone and the ground station. The network availability is crucial for the data transmission, and with advancement in drone technology, now integrated new integrated controller and with smart algorithm are coming in the markets which can transfer data or live streaming from a very far range or a far further distance. So this they are equipped with the high quality cameras with very powerful zoom, which can be used in monitoring, for example, crowd monitoring, and gimbal technology is used in capturing imagery and to further create 3D imagery. This is one of the very brilliant feature of today's drone, which we are seeing in the market. They are equipped with sensors. Sensors could be multispectral, 3D thermal sensors, or some weather-related sensors, which could be used in plenty of applications. So this is the basic, uh, a very basic working of drone, how they work. Next is how we can use drones in waste management. What are the different areas where we can use drones in the waste management? Drones can be used for the surveillance, for the survey, for creating 3D models of the area, to map methane emissions from the waste. They could be used to clear the coastal lines, and they could be used to lay down the various policies, various guidelines for a particular zone or for a particular area. There are plenty of ways where we can use drones to in the waste management. First, and one of the point I have mentioned here is waste collection. How can they help in waste collection? Drones can be deployed at the various specific locations, let's say, where they can monitor the littering and they can notify or even, let's say, broadcast a message of uh, the guidelines which has been laid down by the government, so the users or the citizens of that area could be aware, and they can control the littering. Another way of using the drones in waste collection is we can implement or we can deploy them at the industries or the factories, and we can keep an eye or a check how they are treating their waste, which is coming or which is the byproduct of the factories or the industries, how they are treating it, and that can further be used as a evidence if they are not means treating the waste according to the guidelines provided by the government, so that we can reduce the soil or the water pollution. Landfill site selection is a very crucial and a very crucial role drones can also play here. Landfill site means before selecting a site for the landfill where you can dump the waste of the city, is an area which should be away from highways, which should be away from the residential area, from it should be away from agriculture land. It should not be near water body. It should not be near any wildlife habitat. So there are a lot of conditions which we need to check before selecting a landfill site. So this can be done very effectively using a drone, because a drone can survey a land from the sky, and you can check and you can monitor and you can survey the surroundings of that particular area very clearly. So that can help in further planning of creating a landfill. So this is how drones can help in landfill monitoring, landfill site selection. How they can help in monitoring is they are having the cameras with a very powerful zoom. So we can utilize them for the monitoring of, let's say, to map emissions of the gases from a particular area over the landfill, which they can notify to the user or to the concerned authorities about the emission of the gases. Calculation of the airspace of the landfill. That is also very crucial part. Landfills are the area which you cannot have huge in numbers. You have to manage the current existing landfills, and if you are going to create a new one as well, we need to use it very efficiently so that we can compact the waste in a very small volume. That is a very crucial part. So that could be done using 3D imagery of using drones. We can survey the area from all the directions, and then using some high quality softwares, we can create a 3D model of that particular landfill site, and which can further help in actually calculating the compact ratio of that landfill, so that we can effectively utilize the cells of the landfill to compact the waste in a small volume or small area. Drones can swim and can collect the waste from the coastlines as well. This is also could be one of the use of the drones in waste management. Decision making, yes, while collecting or while doing the survey of the landfill or the dumping zones or the cities where it is population is huge and the area is less, we can use drones to do the survey, and that data which is collected by the sensors and the drones can be utilized to further lay down the guidelines or to further plan by the urban local bodies or by the government sectors how to manage or effectively plan for the waste management. So these are the few areas which where drones could be used in waste management. But yes, we can further explore. This is a new area where we can explore, and there is huge scope of using drones in different areas of the waste management. Few application areas as we can see at the slide, which are showing where we can use in agriculture, in wildlife conservation, e-commerce. We have seen that Amazon has used for package delivery. They can also provide help in the disaster management, where you can supply the basic food and the first aid things using drones. So, and for geographic mapping, we can survey the land, and all all drones are GPS enabled. So yes, there are plenty of areas where we can use drones. Requirements and challenges. So requirements, before using drones, this is a very crucial part, because before using it, there are certain requirements which needs to be met. Otherwise, because drones is a tool with a very powerful technology, and it should be used with utmost responsibility. So before going for use of drones, one should need to understand the norms and regulation of a particular country, which for India there are no current proper guidelines formulated for the use of drones. But yes, government has specified some no-fly zones where drones are not allowed. So one needs to be careful about those areas and the guidelines of the government to make the use of drones. There are few type of sensors as well which are not allowed in particular regions because of the privacy issues. So this needs to be clarified before using any sensors in drones. Availability of the software is also it's a huge requirement because data collection is there. Data you have gathered, drone has transmitted the data and it is collected over the machine, but you need specific skill set, you need specific software so that we can analyze it and we can get insights from that data. So yes, it is a requirement. Of course, availability of the network. If network is not there, the communication between the drone and the base station cannot happen. Data transmission cannot happen. A live feed cannot happen. So yeah, if it is live feeding or if it is continuously transferring the data, and that scenario, availability of the network is crucial. Ethical issues means it is the responsibility of the user because it can breach the privacy. The collected data should not be accessed by the unauthorized people. So, because while conducting surveys, no trespassing or access to the private property is there. So it has some ethical issues which needs to be taken care. Requirement of optimal hardware is also necessary because when we are using drone, they come with means a wide variety of sensors and other hardware. So what purpose, for what particular requirement we need this drone, that is very crucial to understand. Only then we can specifically go for a particular hardware and which can help to complete the task. In challenges, privacy and security is a major concern because yes, this is a machine which watches you from the sky, which collects the data from the sky and has a huge capability. So it can breach the privacy. And in India, currently there are the use of drones. It's laws are vaguely worded, doesn't provide clear instructions, which makes it little difficult to assure the privacy while using drones. So yes, there is a requirement from the government side to lay down the policies for the usage of drones in any industry, and specifically if you're talking here, so we yes, there's a need of deploying the laws of use of drones in the waste management. Uh, Other part is the safety in weather conditions. Safety, otherwise, drones are quite safe to use, but sometimes due to the harsh weather conditions or maybe usage of heavy drone can lead to serious accidents. So there is a need of training to the controller so that the controller can respond quickly or effectively to manage or to respond to any accident that could happen. Weather condition can also affect the flight of the drone, like heavy rains, low visibility, or heavy winds. So these things can also impact its usage. So these are some requirements and the challenges which needs to be clarified before going to use drones in waste management. Finally, I am concluding this presentation with how we can use drones, what are the areas where we can use drones that has been discussed. So we have seen that it is having a huge potential, and it can help to effectively manage a lot of tasks of waste management. So but yes, there is a requirement of from the government side to come forward and to lay down a proper infrastructure and guidelines in funding so that the stakeholders can also step into it and can invest into waste management and can invest into drones usage into the waste management. Proper training is also required. Awareness is required to handle the issues which could be there while using drones, and ethical means the ethical issues also needs to be addressed before going for the implementation of the drones. And still there is a huge scope which is unexplored. How we can use drones, what are the areas, what are the further advancements we need in terms of drones which can help to effectively manage the waste into India. So these are the few ideas which I presented. Thank you very much.